getting the corner a bit fast and accelerating. Now he's gonna turn, accelerate. Yeah. Oh, it's green. It's green light. Launch. That's still green. That is the Tesla, as you can see. First drive POV in the Tesla Model 3 Performance. I'm actually testing this setup as well. It's a weird setup with my phone attached to a cap. I am gonna make it work. I also ordered another mount, but I think this is gonna work out for now. And yes, this is the Performance. I would have regretted not getting a Performance if I got the long range, because you can, oh my god, you can floor this to hell everywhere and it doesn't really get boring, to be completely honest. Yeah, I love it. This is my daily driver. I have another car. I am actually a petrol head, but this as a daily driver is just, for me, it's peak. It's full every day. You have instant performance. Always, you don't have to warm up your car. I could just wake up and floor it. And I don't have to baby it. I actually drive it like I stole it. And the best part about that is nobody cares, because no one can hear you driving like a, yeah, douche. Yeah, maybe I'm gonna talk a bit less and just let you enjoy the drive. Take this circuit, I guess it's called in English. Let's see how we can launch here. Maybe if no one is coming, we can overtake all these people. Because, as you know, the Tesla launches really hard. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. Shit. Yeah, it's it's fast. It also tears the cap of my head. It really wants to come off, so I'm looking forward to the mount. This right now does the job for testing. Also, I love the autopilot. Yeah, I really love the autopilot for highway driving. Not for really driving in the city or anything, but for highway driving. Yeah, and as you may see, these roads may look unusual to you because this is Switzerland. Yes, I live in Switzerland. You're gonna see some Swiss drives, and you will see me also go in my other car, which is a bit more interesting, I think, which I will reveal. But for now, I think the Tesla is nice, and we have, yeah, it's a nice ride. Of course, always obeying the speed limit here in Switzerland, because the fees are insane if you are speeding, and there are speed cameras everywhere, so it's almost not worth it, except you know exactly where the speeding cameras are, because radar detectors are illegal in Switzerland. Yes, you heard right. Radar detectors are illegal. Yeah, and they don't tell you where the radars are. You just kind of drive into them. That's it. You have a couple kph as a wiggle room before they will activate, before it will trigger the radar, but yeah, it's not that much. It's about 5 to 6 kph, and the Tesla is really accurate. That's the actual GPS speed. I've measured it. And sometimes when you know there is no radar, you can maybe go a bit faster, but yeah, for video purposes, I'm probably not gonna do that. I'm just gonna go to the right lane and let everyone pass. It's actually pretty weird having this camera on my head with the cap, because the cap has to be tilted upwards, and I have a counterweight on my back. I just stuck a power bank to the back of my cap as a counterweight, and it somehow kind of works. Yeah, it's not the most comfortable. I'm really looking forward to the mount, because for my other car I think this won't work, because I need to shift. Yeah. Also, guys, let me know how you like this configuration of the POV videos, and if you like me talking or if you just want to enjoy the ride. yeah, I'm really interested to see how this turns out. And I hope you enjoy this content, guys, because there's a lot more coming. Yes, the Tesla Model 3 is also gonna be more featured on here, but I would really like to get more driving in my other car that you will probably more enjoy if you're a petrol head, or if you like gas powered cars. Having a nice chill drive home. I'm not going home directly, I'm going to a shop, getting some groceries, and so we can have dinner. But I think this will be an accurate representation of my daily commute, basically. And yes, we will do more drives, not just like this daily commute, but like more interesting drives. Also with my other car. I hope you will enjoy that. If you don't like the Tesla, don't just click off. There's another car, a better car coming. But I really love the Tesla. It's just such a chilled car. And also I like driving myself. I use autopilot on the longer journeys, but yeah, just kind of like driving myself. And this is basically a boring highway drive. I could have taken the other route by the lake, but that's for another video maybe. I think especially when summer comes, springtime, when the season starts for the sports cars and the bikes, there will be better content coming with nicer views, nicer cars, good friends, having a blast, going on a ride. Yeah, we'll go to the right because I have to get out here in a minute. Oh, now we're having a bit traffic. Let's check the mirrors. If we can pull to the left and go out here. Yes, we'll do that. The camera is almost coming off my head. Getting the corner a bit fast and accelerating. So fast. So fast, and I love it. I've had this Tesla for a while now, and it doesn't get boring. It's not it is maybe a one-trick pony if you look at it like that. It can go fast really, really well. Corners, that's another topic because it's really heavy, but the center of mass is really low, so I think that helps it, and it feels fun. You can put in the track mode and go for a little drift, which is completely legal. Oh, the police is coming, so maybe I'll take off my hat right now. Okay, we are back. The police has passed. I just took the hat off because I don't know if this is legal or not, actually. I think they might say something, because in Switzerland you never know. Almost everything is illegal here. Yeah, and you can see my muscle memory sometimes goes back to my other car because I grip the steering wheel like 9-3, which is, yeah, more for like enthusiastic driving. Red light. Oh, and green light again. Let's go. He's gonna turn, accelerate, yeah, and move left. Zack, really fast. It's so much fun. So much fun. Yeah, gonna turn the camera off. I'm gonna go for a quick shop. That is the Tesla, as you can see. Is really dirty. It's really ugly. Yeah. So, okay. Then I would say let's go home. He's going the wrong way. I'm gonna go the outside way. Did you just honk at me? I must be looking really weird with that head mount on. People are actually not really staring, but still I have the feeling I look extremely weird. Let this really fast one pass. Okay. I also almost have to pin my head back when I launch it, because the launch is so brutal that it takes the hat off my head. Okay, we can go back here. Oh, it's green. It's green light. Launch. That's still green. Shit, that was a bit red. No, it was very dark orange, I would say. That was dark orange. And also, don't trust these readings because they're not that accurate. The speed limits are not that accurate. Sometimes it tells you to go faster than you actually are allowed because it doesn't read the signs properly, or the other way around. Mostly it's the other way around. It tells you to go too slow. Also, I think here in Switzerland you see a lot of new cars. If there's a new car coming out, there's instantly one on the road here. It's insane. But I can kind of understand it because money's here, so yeah. Oh, an ST. That was nice. And again, please don't get me wrong, I love petrol cars. I'm not an EV guy at all. I like my Model 3 Performance for daily driving, but I'm really a petrol head actually. This is just, oh my god. Oh, he's also launching. Where was I at? I don't know, it was probably not that important. I hope you can see how dirty the windscreen is, because it is ugly. It's ugly as hell. There's the green ST. Oh, it's a Focus RS. It isn't an ST. That was my bad. That was kind of embarrassing. I'm not the biggest Ford guy. I'm not biased at all when it comes to oh my god, I can't think of the word when it comes to Marke. Brand, car brand. Oh, smart. That looks sleek. That must be fun to drive. I'm not biased. I'm not biased at all. I look at price, I look at value, I look at performance, I look at how the car feels, and that's when I decide which cars I like. And so far I've driven a lot of cars. I hope you like the ambient lighting. I put it in myself. It's on pink because my girlfriend is driving the car mostly. But I kind of dig the pink. I like it. It's a good mood. Also, the Tesla is really easy to park because you have these big ass cameras on a big ass screen. Oh, can I say the A word? I'm actually not sure. Yeah, that's it. Let's get out and show you the beauty. It really has some nice lines. My groceries. And my cap from the other side. And my camera just fell off. That was it, guys. Oh, also here in the back, the LEDs, I really like them. That was it for today. Hope you liked the video and see you in the next one.